What's up guys, welcome back to another Scion Frs build video. So pretty much today we're gonna be doing some cosmetic stuff, like we're gonna be fixing up the headlights with the 3M kits, and also we're gonna be adding some carbon fiber overlay trim into the interior. So we're actually gonna be going to this on to this. See the big difference? So pretty much this is a 2013 Scion Frs. It's not really that old, but the headlight actually got really hazel. I don't know, maybe because this car was mainly sitting on the sun or something, but look at all that brown stuff. It looks so rough. I already used one of the 3M kits and fixed this headlight. It's a little, you know, still a little rough. I couldn't fix this headlight well because, you know, it was unmounted. It was very uncomfortable working on the floor. Everything was all over the place, so I'm gonna redo this one again. So pretty much we're gonna be working on the headlights and also some carbon fiber trim pieces. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Now I was actually planning to get brand new headlights, but really since we're on the budget, I've already saved that money towards the motor. Get a 3M kits. This is cost $15. I already used one of them, so it'd be 30 bucks instead of like spending like $300, $400 money that I could just save and put it towards the motor. And on the other side, I have some carbon fiber trim pieces that I want you guys to look at. Look at all this. This is so cool. All these are actually dry carbon fiber. This is a gauge pot that go into the radio trim. This is OEM replacement. All right, so let's get it started. So first of all, we're gonna get the headlights mounted back into the chassis, so it's gonna be a lot more comfortable to work with. Alright, so pretty much here I got both headlights installed back onto the chassis, right? The passenger and the driver side. Just have to be redone so bad. And also I have masking tape on the fenders just in case, just to protect it. Alright, so pretty much here I got both headlights installed back onto the chassis, the passenger and the driver side. And also I added masking tape all around the fender just to protect it while we're working on the headlights, right? And this side as well. We don't really want to damage the fender, more headache. Just a little walk around on the headlight so you guys can notice the difference. This is actually before, and I'm gonna show you guys an after so you guys know what this kit can do. Look at all the haze and dirt and all the brownish stuff. It looks so ugly though. Right, so I guess that's pretty much it. Look at all that. It looks so nasty. And step 2, we're gonna start up sanding up the headlight with a 500 grit sandpaper that comes with the kit, and also this little wheel attachment for you to attach on your drill. And also we're gonna wet sand this. You also need a bucket of water. Okay, so the first hand with the 500 grit is done. It's gonna look all foggy like this after, but it's okay. Make sure that you take the time and you go through the whole headlights. Some headlight will take a little longer depending what's the amount of fading that you have on your headlight, right? So if it's all orange or all yellowish, it might take you, from half an hour to an hour probably. Even this is gonna be a quick fix, but yeah. So the 500 grit is done. We're gonna start with the 800 grit now. Okay, so now the second hand with the 800 grit is done. Now look at that, it start coming out really nice now, really smooth. Now for next, you don't really have to do this, but I took an extra step. I got a 1500 grit sanding paper. I'm gonna throw one more hand and this thing should come out perfect. Alrighty, so the 1500 grit is done. Now we're gonna use a 3M magic sponge that come with the kit. This thing is gonna do all the work. Alright, so the step with the magic sponge is done. Look at that. Damn. They look like brand new, guys. Holy damn. That saved me 300 bucks right over here instead of like buying new headlights. So pretty much we got one more step, and also is the last. We're gonna use this foam pad. This actually come with the 3M kit. Now we're gonna apply rubbing compound into this pad and start rubbing it onto the lens. Damn, believe it or not, guys, I'm really stoked about this. Damn, look at the difference. Wow, it came out really good though. Look at that. Compared to before, damn. Wow, I'm really impressed. A little pro tip, you just gotta really take your time and like really, you know, put yourself into it, and then that's it. I think the 1500 grit sandpaper helped it so much. It make everything go so smooth. Wow. This is very nice. What do you guys think? Isn't it beautiful? So there you have it. I just finished the other side. Damn, that looks so good. Wow. They do actually look like brand new though. Look at that from far view. Damn. Oh my god, I think that came out really good. Look at that shiny. That's before and after, right? Wow. What a big difference, guys. What do you guys think? Damn, I start loving this, man. Love it. All right, so pretty much I'm gonna finish the video over here. I was supposed to show you guys how to do the, you know, the carbon fiber overlay inside the car. I don't really have enough time today. I have to head out and do some other stuff, you know, some personal stuff. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think they came out really good. Fabulous. They look like brand new though. Look at that. Damn. Bam, bam, bam. And look at this. Bam, bam, bam. It look like brand new though. Crazy. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please follow my build, you know, subscribe, and see you guys next time.